The Avalanche, original since 1977. Fastest tool on the market for roof snow removal. Comes standard with 1.5-inch wheels for asphalt shingle roofs. I got a steel roof. I wonder if that'll make a difference. But it was kind of pricey. I really had no choice. I had to get something. What I really wanted was just a regular cheapy one that didn't have wheels on it. I'm not worried about the roof. Let's see how fast it is to put it together. Shouldn't be too bad. Usually they just kind of snap right in. Oh, nice. Slide winder handle. Well, she can do it. I suppose I can. No tools assembly. That's good. I suppose we should start with the instructions. But we're not gonna. So that's all the pieces. It's not what I'm used to seeing for a snow rake. But I'm pretty sure I know where this goes, or all of these. I'm going to assume they just slide right in here. Or not. Shouldn't be that tight. Let's see. There's like 3 of those, isn't there? Nope, I went right by it. There it is. So I guess I just repeat that with all of them. So this part, I'm gonna guess we're gonna attach R to R. I think that means left, right. Just a guess though. So I'm putting the tools away, which reminded me, I forgot to pick up shear pins. That was the one thing I forgot. Usually I have like 5 or 6 of them lying around, but that's back at home. Well, I consider here home, but I don't have any shear pins here except the ones that came with the unit. So I have to try to keep that on the back burner somewhere and remember to pick up some shear pins. I only have 1 left, and that's not going to help me too much if I end up with 2 breaking on me. Can't believe that. I broke a shear pin first time I used that thing. My snowblower back in Plymouth. I think I ran that thing for 3 years before I broke a shear pin. Just trying to get used to this idea, putting my tools away so I can find them later. That's kind of unusual for me to actually put them away. I'm supposed to have plenty of propane. The generator just quit. I don't know what's wrong. I was in the middle of cooking dinner, which was in the microwave. Not that it would have mattered. I'm fairly certain, even though it's a gas stove. It was a frozen lasagna TV dinner type thing. And I don't know that that damn stove would have kept going or not. I have no idea. I knew I should have probably used the stove instead. But it was going to take like an extra 40 minutes. Well, now I get a little taste of what it's like to be off-grid. Yay. Not.